Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how you can hide your friend list from everyone. You must be familiar with the fact that if you have a private account, then no one except your friend will be able to see your friend list. So if you have a private account and there also you want to hide it from your friends, then this video is for you. But in case if your Facebook profile is public, then also this video will help you. So without delay, let's get started. Go to the hamburger option at the top. Scroll down to settings and privacy. Settings. Now scroll down to how people find and contact you. Click on who can see your friend list. Click on see more and select only me. So this was the first method. If you want to apply the same changes to Facebook web, then follow the given steps. Go to Google Chrome and type facebook.com. Enter your credentials to log in. Click on the hamburger option at the top. Scroll down to settings. Click on privacy settings. Click on who can see your friend list option. Here select the option only me. This was the second method. Using these two methods, you can make your friend list private to you. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.